Huawei finally launched some kind of brand new smartphone in their Pura series in flagship level, and Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is one of them. In this video, I will review the whole smartphone, and after watching the video, you will be able to take a decision this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. First of all, if I would like to talk about the design of this smartphone, then you can see the design of this smartphone is so much beautiful. And also the weight of this smartphone is 226 grams. Huawei tried to make this smartphone by using premium level materials. That is why the weight of this smartphone is something higher than usual. And also the thickness of this smartphone is 8.4 mm. You will find triple camera setup at the rear panel. And also you will find a punch hole cutout camera setup as a front panel. Here is an interesting thing, and that is the smartphone has IP68 water resistance. That means you can put your phone under 2 meter water for 30 minutes. You can purchase this smartphone by 4 colors: black, white, brown and green. So the design of this smartphone was so much beautiful to me. What do you think about the design of this smartphone? You can inform me in comment box. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone. The smartphone has 6.8 inches TFT OLED panel display, and the display has Full HD Plus resolution. For the Full HD Plus resolution, whenever you will watch any kind of videos by using the display, the time you cannot face any kind of problem for the resolution. And also the display has 2500 nits peak brightness. For the higher peak brightness, you can use the smartphone under the sun without any kind of problem. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone has triple camera setup at the rear panel. First one is 50 megapixel, and second one is 50 megapixel telephoto, and third one is 40 megapixel ultra wide. The most enchanting thing is we will found the OIS for both 50 megapixel sensor, and also you will found 30 megapixel ultra wide sensor for the front camera. You can make the video with 4K resolution by using rear camera section, but you cannot get any kind of 4K resolution for front camera section. Right now, if I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone, the smartphone has ColorOS 4.2. As a chipset, Huawei used here their own chipset, and that is Kirin 9010, which is 7 nanometer chipset. But in 2024, we cannot expect 7 nanometer chipset from the budget range. You can purchase this smartphone by only two variants. First one is 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, and then second one is 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. We can use only two SIM card here, but we cannot use any kind of micro SD slot. Right now, if I would like to talk about the battery of this smartphone, the smartphone has 5200 mAh lithium polymer battery, and if you would like to charge your phone, then you will find 80 watt wireless charger. And also the smartphone is supporting 20 watts reverse wire system. That means you can charge any kind of smartphone from the smartphone by 20 watts reverse charging system. As a security, you will find under display fingerprint here, and also you will find NFC, Bluetooth and everything, but you cannot see any kind of 3.5mm audio jack. So that was all for this video. If you have any kind of question, then you can inform me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.